Hello everyone, I am the newborn baby of the Amanta family. I am the first in India. I am the innovative IV fluid container for the critically ill hospitalized patients. I am different from all my old friends. You want to know more about me? Well, I will tell about me in 3 steps. The first step is S, my sterility. I am made from random copolymer polypropylene. I am sterilized at 121 degrees centigrade, as recommended by international regulatory bodies. Thus, my high sterility assurance level is maintained.
I am very glad that my patient's safety is taken care of. I like Steripod.
In all these countries, 2-port closure system is mandatory. The second is my unique closure system. C is my closure system. Ouch! Ouch! It is painful!
Baby, I'm sorry for this, but I have no choice. But you have a choice now.
These are my 2 ports. No need to puncture for air vent. My plugs are made from non-latex rubber for instant and 100% resealing. I also have a plastic barrier to provide additional protection.
Since you prevent nosocomial infection, I like Steripod.
The third is T, my transparency.
See before use.
Ajay, how can I see what is within you when you are translucent? My doctor and my patients have put their trust in me. I will never use a translucent container because I may not know if it is contaminated.
I was perfectly fine when I left the factory. And people were kind to me. But not the people who handled me during transportation and storage. As a result, fungus has grown within me. Look, I am as transparent as glass, and you can see what is within me. It's because I am made from random copolymer polypropylene. Wow, you're really thinking and caring for your patients by using Steripod.
Since you're so transparent and can see what is within you, I like Steripod. I have to be very careful with this for the sake of my patients. I have selected Steripod because my patients are safe. Steripod is sterilized at 121 degrees Celsius, has a 2-port closure system and is as transparent as glass. Now I have a peace of mind. I like Steripod.
That's great. We all like Steripod.
I have no control over what others do. But certainly I have control over what I do. I therefore use only Steripod.
Yes, but make sure Steripod is adequately stocked. It is all about life.